Yeah.
Foot's hurting?
When he gets after you, you forget all about that foot.
If you get injured, just turn around and kick him.
Yeah. We got you back.
He won't want none of that.
Well, I shot one. I missed him, but I shot another one.
Get up very closer so he'll run after you. Connor, don't fall now.
I'm not.
You'll be going to the hospital. Go get right over there right by him.
Yeah, get up on him and get him.
Make him chase you again.
Get up there where you can shoot him good. Well, go on around there.
I saw no one.
Run out there by him, see what he does. Run. Run at him. We just run over at him.
See if you can get him to chase you again.
Just run over at him. Get close
Walk
to
over
him.
there at him. Get a little
closer.
I think it's something to throw at him.
Go.
Yeah,
Go
get
on.
that
Go on.
chicken.
Run at him.
Just run down that fence line.
Here he comes. Here he comes.
You better go. You better go.
I'm gonna step on you.
Kick him. Kick him. He's still after you. Now turn around and kick him.
That thing almost jumped on my foot.
Did you feel him on your foot back there?
Yes, I